Troubleshooting your WineGuardian remote interface controller. Make sure your WineGuardian system power is turned on at the main power switch. The power switch on the unit lights when the unit is powered on. Not all WineGuardian controllers look the same, but their functionality and programming is similar. To turn the system on-off, press the on-off button once. Once the system has been turned on, there are a variety of settings that can be made, such as changing your temperature and humidity set points, changing settings to cooling, heating, or auto, and accessing setup functions. If your room temperature is above the high temperature alarm point, the temperature will be blinking with an exclamation mark. This is normal. To change temperature, locate the up button on your controller. For newer models, press any arrow button to wake up the controller. When the controller is active, press the up button arrow once. Press the up or down arrow buttons to adjust the temperature to the desired set point. To change humidity, a WineGuardian humidifier must be installed and setting 6 set to 1 for integrated humidifiers or 2 for standalone humidifiers before the controller will let you change humidity. Locate the up button on your controller. For newer models, press any arrow button to wake up the controller. When the controller is active, press the up arrow once. Press the settings button once to display the humidity set point. Press the up or down arrows to adjust the humidity to the desired set point. To change settings, cooling, heating, auto. The optional factory installed electric heater needs to be installed to use the heat function. Locate the settings button on your controller. For newer models, press any arrow button to wake up the controller. When the controller is active, press the up arrow once. Press the settings button again to scroll through modes for cooling only, heat only, or auto mode for heat or cool. Locate the settings button on your controller. For newer models, press any arrow button to wake up the controller. When the controller is active, press the settings button to access the settings screen. Press the settings button to scroll through advanced settings options. There are various settings and alarms that can be adjusted. For more instructions on how to make these adjustments, please view the Remote Interface Controller Guide at the link in the description below.